Hello everyone! Today in this video we are going to do pain au chocolat. To be honest, before meeting my French husband, I used to call this delicious product a croissant with chocolate. But, sorry, please, we need to be really careful not to insult the French pastry culture. It's not the same thing. By showing respect for French pastry culture, I'm making a separate video from croissant. Let's get started. In my opinion, why are non-French people like me confusing between croissant and pain au chocolat? It's probably about the dough, because they use the same dough for the two different recipes. I already did the detailed video on how to make the sourdough croissant, and I will share the link in the description. That's why in this video I'm showing the last part of recipe, the shaping part. After final rolling and cutting the sides, you should have a dough approximately 24 to 36 cm in size. To get the classic pain au chocolat shape, we need to cut the dough into a rectangle. And here, my guide size is 8 cm, base of the rectangle. We cut and form our pain au chocolat and leave them for the final proving, which lasts about 8 hours. Usually, before going to bed, I form them and leave them in the oven with the light on. In the morning, it's a big pleasure to have fresh baked sourdough pain au chocolat made by myself. Only one thing I need to do is brush with egg wash and bake them. If you are still watching this video till the end, I'm sure you are like me, who is obsessed with everything about sourdough and natural fermentation, or just cares about their nutrition. In this channel, I share with my recipes and tips what I've learned with my many years experience on sourdough and natural fermentation. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.